Hey YouTube, what is up? Is Apple's music software proprietary? Okay, obviously the answer is no, because you can run iTunes and Apple Music on different platforms. But does Apple modify the software so that your music sounds better if you're using an Apple product versus a product on another platform, like say Windows? Because I've always noticed that the Windows version of iTunes kind of sucks. I like, even if I have the frequency on the equalizer set to be totally flat frequency response, it still sounds like it's overcoloring the sound. And I don't like it, which is why I use a different media playback software. It's called Fubar 2000. You guys have probably heard of it. It's a really good software. I recommend downloading it. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to compare an audio file that I recorded straight out of iTunes and one that I recorded straight out of Fubar. Now, I didn't just rip the files out of those programs and then throw them in the video, because it's not the actual files that are modified on iTunes, it's the software itself. So I played back through my through my DAC, and then recorded it with a capture card, and the results are quite interesting. So why don't you guys have a look?